let's start today's lesson. So last class में we had done the O and O की मात्रा वाले शब्द. Today we are going to learn O and O की मात्रा वाले शब्द. कि what are the main difference between that. So while pronouncing only, it totally depends on your pronunciation. So I always used to tell कि please listen carefully that pronunciation कि how people are pronouncing. So here I will start with the O and O की मात्रा. So here O and O. So look at here. Here for I just write only O. So as a O, only O. This funda is very clear. This is a very simple. Ki O as a O in Hindi also. But I don't know ki why students get confused with O and O. They pronounce it O, but they will write this matra only. I just go through this confusion with the students. Even for my daughter also, she also gets confused with this O and O. So today I thought to clear this. This, as I have written ki O here. So I will write few words like this way only, like Tota, even Sota. Even I just write it dosa here. So see here, Tota, I will write like this. Sota and dosa. See, like ki U. U has a U. How I told you ki U has a two sound O and U. So there we have to forget about the O. Only we have to keep remember with the U. Here O. How we just read it in our English? O, O, O. Like suppose that ki we just read pond, right? So that also comes with the O only. So that O letter sound you have to keep remember, and then just go automatically ki O. O, that means ki O1. So how we have to give a matra? One line and then on the top of the one breath. Here also Sota, Dosa, Tota. Now I just come to the O. So O has like I just write it Podha. Then okay, Loki, even Nauka. So see, I just write it Podha here, Loki and Nauka. So see, now just start with the pronunciation. This is a Tota, O. O we have to pronounce it. But where we are coming to the O. So this we have to just now open your this also, this part, this neck also. You have to pronounce it from here. Nauka. So you will get the sound and vibration here also. Nauka. The AU. Here you have to use this AU. Like in English how we just use it. Like fraud. We just write it, right? How we just pronounce this word? We pronounce fraud. So like that way you have to pronounce it for the O. This is a Podha, this is Loki, this is Nauka. Here simply O you have to say Tota, Sota. See, from here we are not getting sound for the O. But for the O we are getting the sound like Aurat. Right? Even for this Odhani, Okhali, the simple. So here we have to give a more pronunciation, and you have to be observed ki that sound is coming from here also. So that means ki that is a O ki matra. Not whether that ki when you just get confused with the body U. That is a U. Like book, like fool. So that is the major difference between this. So please go through my old videos also, where there also I taught ki how to pronounce each letter in a different way. So please like and subscribe. Please watch it till end. I will come with another videos. Thank you.